This is Meta Smart Factory, your sales pipeline, running while you sleep. One system that finds the right people, starts the conversation, and follows up until they answer. Outreach doesn't fail at the first message. It fails at the fifth. A person can work 8 hours. Your pipeline shouldn't stop when they do. One loop, closed end to end. Target, reach out, follow up, qualify, hand over. Every conversation becomes a record. The company owns the relationship, not the inbox. It works around the clock, protects the account, and speaks 21 languages. If your buyer is on LinkedIn, the system works in any industry. Straightforward monthly pricing. Start with the CRM, add the bot when you're ready. You're live in a week, not a quarter. See it running on your own pipeline. Meta Smart Factory. Book your demo at metasmartfactory.com.